This is Alan. If you're new here, my name is Ruben. I basically travel to hang out with my subscribers, talk to people, and film it to show you that you can talk to anyone.
Excuse me, this is my seat. How's the pizza?
It's actually really good.
Looks like you're from Portland.
Can I help you?
Are y'all trying to figure out the parking thing? Would you want to hang out sometime?
Thanks for asking if you could sit here.
Yeah.
How was today?
Rough start, but definitely picked up at the end.
Okay, so today I'm in Austin with Alan. Alan who drove from Houston, 2.5 hours to spend the afternoon, so thank you.
My name is Alan, I'm 23 years old. Currently bartending right now. I've always had a stutter. It used to be very hard to be at ease in social situations. Like I feel like I'm not really connecting with people all the time. It's like I just say things. I'm basically just not speaking my mind most of the time. There's not really genuine connection.
Any last words before we start?
I feel excited. I feel scared. I feel anxious, but I'd say mostly excited.
Okay.
Hi, excuse me. I just saw you walking here, and I thought you were pretty, so I just wanted to say hi.
Oh, thank you.
What's your name? I'm Alan.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. You just on a Saturday walk?
Yeah, we just moved here 2 days ago.
Oh yeah?
Eddie Van Halen statues.
I don't know.
I don't know where that is.
Do you live around here?
No, I'm actually from Houston. I just came here to hang out. I come to Austin all the time though. I have a lot of friends that went to UT, so they're still around here, and so come to hang out.
Well, it's nice meeting you.
Yeah.
Thanks for saying hi.
Yeah, welcome. I don't know. It just felt weird, honestly. I don't know why. It just seemed like she wanted to leave.
You don't know why people act the way they do, and even though sometimes you think that you have very good guesses, I think that you should always be true to yourself and like go for what you want, you know?
Okay.
Because sometimes your life is going to surprise you.
Hey, and also hi. Just came by to say hello. I thought y'all looked really pretty.
Oh, that's so nice. Thank you.
Yeah. Do y'all are y'all trying to figure out the parking thing?
I think we got it. We just got it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Cool. Yeah.
have a
You're
good one.
welcome.
Maybe you want to tune in with yourself and ask yourself like what is it that you want? You know, what is your intention? You know? I don't think there is any case scenario where you woke up to two people at a parking meter and you're like, hey, I just wanted to meet you guys, and the people are just like, oh great, let's just sit here and just talk. You know?
Yeah.
They're like, I just felt that you were just more like going through the motion of just talking to someone rather that you really wanted to talk to them.
Yeah. No. I mean, you're right. I didn't want to interrupt like saying bye, you know, like that's just kind of fucked. Well, there's a girl over there that looks really fit.
But that's the one that gives you the anxiety. You have to go for that one first.
But like at this point, like I am just doing it to do it. It's like I'm not even attracted.
You don't want to talk to. Why did you want to talk to them in the first place?
Just for the challenge of it, like.
So that's what I'm saying. Like that's not gonna help you. You have to talk to people
I
because
think
you want
it
to talk to
is.
them.
Well, it's still pushing your comfort zone.
No, but it's not genuine. The problem is about you have to be genuine. If you're not genuine, it's not gonna help you. You're just becoming an actor. You're just playing there. But what's gonna make you connect with people is when you're genuine.
Yeah.
That's what's gonna make you connect with people. You're genuine, they're genuine. That's gonna create a connection. If you're not genuine, you're not gonna connect with anyone. It doesn't matter how many people you talk to.
Even if I bothered them and they still gave me their numbers or whatever, it's like still like I think like it's just not really a good thing to like interrupt in a moment like that.
Right now what you're saying is a failure of imagination, because right now when you think about this scenario, you think about a few scenarios in your mind where a stranger interrupting you would not be pleasant. But the truth of life is that there is billions of possible scenarios, and there is many scenarios of pleasant surprises that you would welcome. So it's just up to you to be a good surprise. It depends how you interrupt people. You don't know what's around the corner. So just be genuine, just put your best foot forward. You have good intention in your heart. That's all you need. The rest, life is going to take care of it.
Hi, excuse me. I saw you walking past and I just thought you were really cute, so I wanted to say hi.
Oh, hi. Thank you.
Yeah, what's your name? My name's Alan.
Hi, nice nice to meet you.
Yeah, were you just
I was just
waitressing?
at work, yeah.
What are you up to now?
I'm gonna go on break and then back up.
What do you usually do in your breaks over here? Well, cool. Would you want to hang out sometime? Like, I come to Austin a lot, so.
I have a boyfriend.
Okay.
Sorry.
Cool. All good.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Well, I hope you have fun with your friends.
Cool. All right. Nice to meet you. It just felt fine, I guess.
You were more relaxed there. I feel like a bit more at ease, no?
Yeah. I mean, I'd say so. Like, I didn't realize like how not genuine I was being all the time. Like, how's your food? Oh, okay. What's your name?
Can I help you?
Oh no, I mean I just thought I would say hi for fun. You know, do you ever say hi for fun to people?
Not really.
Oh,
I'm sorry, I'm not in a very chatty mood right
oh okay. I'll leave you alone.
You know, I just want to talk to people for fun, which isn't really true. Why did you pick her? There's something that inspired you about her that you wanted to talk to her. It feels very disingenuous.
At this point, like I don't like I kind of am confused as to why I'm out here.
I just want you to be more present.
Okay.
Right now, when you ask what's your name, you are not being present. Because there is no way that what's your name is your second question. You can literally talk to someone for 2 hours without knowing their name.
Hi. Y'all are beautiful. I just had to come say hi.
Thank you.
Yeah. I haven't eaten here before. How's the pizza?
Actually really good.
You don't like to eat the actual pizza part of the pizza?
Well, I do, but I'm trying not to eat all the bread.
I see. Did y'all just get back from the gym or something?
We were just on the trails.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Nice. Wait, which trails? I'm from Houston, so like I don't really know.
So you just crossed right over here.
Don't want to interrupt too much, but
You're good.
would any of y'all want to go hiking with me sometime?
I'm married. Yeah. Probably not. Just saying. About to be.
Cool.
So, but,
Oh well,
yeah, enjoy.
congratulations.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I hope you enjoy it. How long are you up?
I'm probably going back today, but I mean I come here like almost like every month, so yeah.
Good place. What,
Yeah.
what brings you here?
All right.
Enjoy.
Yeah.
Thanks for coming over to say hi.
Enjoy.
Thanks. Bye.
That was fun. That was fun. They were nice. We had a good chat. Like I just felt more at ease, and it's too bad I'm not gonna go hiking with them. But that was my first time approaching milks. So that was nice. Hi.
Hi, what's up?
I just wanted to come ask you about you and your writings.
I'm just writing a letter.
Oh yeah? What is it about?
It's to a friend of mine that lives in Portland.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, you look like you're from Portland. But
Are you from here?
I'm from Houston.
Word.
Yeah, I just came to hang out with some friends, so yeah. Is this how you usually like keep in contact with your friend? Like you guys write
yeah,
letters to each other? I mean, that's extremely interesting. Like I feel like there's cool. Well, yeah, I'm gonna leave you alone.
Have a good day.
Yeah, you too. That was cool. I mean, I was genuinely interested in like what she was doing. So you know, for the second half of the day, like it seemed like everyone I approached was just so much friendlier. But like I'm sure that was because like I was just a lot more open and relaxed. So. Excuse me, this is my seat.
Oh.
I'm just kidding.
I'm like,
No, but I just wanted.
I didn't see anything here.
I just wanted to come and sit and see the view and also say hi.
Hi.
So hi. What is this body of water called?
A river?
Called what kind of river?
We are not from here.
Oh, okay, yeah, no.
No.
Same. I'm from Houston, so I also don't
Okay. No, we're from Colorado. We flew in for a friend's wedding and we're just hanging out.
know. Do you think y'all are gonna go kayaking here?
No, we have a flight in a couple hours.
Oh. Good to meet y'all.
Nice to meet you.
Turn your attention outward, like see if you can just like not say anything can. Do things that make you feel alive. Hi. Can I sit with you?
Yeah, I'm about to head out.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
What are you reading?
I'm reading Dune.
The movie.
Yeah.
but also a book. I didn't know it was also a book. I haven't actually seen the movie yet. I just know it has the handsome French guy in it.
Timothy Chalamet.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
And-
Do you live in Austin?
No, I live in Houston.
Oh, cool. I don't live here, but I lived here last year for several, like 6 months.
So where are you at now?
I'm in Seattle. So
Oh.
from all these places.
Do you
Yeah.
work for the government?
I work for the university. Do you do that kind of like similar kind of work right now?
You could say I'm a therapist because I'm a bartender, you know, so like,
Dude, I've been wanting to be a bartender.
yeah.
Honestly, I feel like we're like, I want to do what you do.
Yeah.
I need to head back.
All right,
pretty
cool.
soon. Yeah. What's your name?
Alan,
Alan. Cool. It was nice to meet you.
what's your name?
Yeah. Thanks for asking me to sit here.
Yeah.
I was just thinking, like, I haven't made a random connection with a human in a while. And these other two people did the same thing over there. And I was like,
Oh, wait, like the...
not those two.
Oh, okay,
but, like,
okay. I was about to say, like, you're just
there
talking
was,
about...
like, someone, and then another person sat with them, and they had a nice conversation. I was listening in, and I was like, that seems really nice.
Yeah. Well, cool. Yeah, I'm glad we did that.
Yeah, me too.
Bye. I mean, yeah, no, I mean, my mind is pretty much just blank right now. I mean, she's flying back home tonight, so like...
Sometimes I feel like if you have a nice chemistry with someone, you might as well just keep, just have a point of contact, because who knows, maybe in 6 months you find yourself in Seattle and you're like, hey, like, do you have any recommendation? It can be as basic as that.
Yeah, I mean, it was fun talking to her. It was, yeah, just yeah, it felt nice. Do you mind if I sit with you, sir? Cool. I've been walking the whole day, so it's nice to give my legs a break. Do you go kayaking often? No?
I'm not from here.
Oh, where are you from?
California.
I went to school in California. Went to UCLA.
Yeah, I visited my friends.
What's the craziest thing that's happened in your life?
In my life,
Yeah.
craziest thing.
Just thought I would ask, I feel like everyone has a story. Like,
I got married. I want to move here.
Yeah?
I like it.
Well, cool, man. It's good to chat with you. Hi. I saw you and I just thought you looked pretty, so I wanted to say hi.
Oh, hi. Thank you.
Yeah. What's your name?
Alan, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you also. Is this your go-to spot to walk?
Yes. You live here?
No, I'm from Houston, actually. I just came by to visit a friend.
We're from Houston? Okay. I'm from the West.
Oh, okay.
So
Huh. What are you doing in Austin?
I live here now.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So,
What brought you over here?
kind of a job.
Are the Austin special? Oh, well, I'm not gonna keep you then. It's good to meet you, though.
Me too.
She seemed extremely open to conversation, actually.
But you were also very chill. The way you talked to her at the beginning was very chill.
Oh yeah, no, like yeah,
I was like, wow, like he's so much more comfortable.
yeah.
You were not inspired to like keep pushing it.
No, I mean, like I don't. Yeah, not really.
You were fine. Okay.
Yeah. Hi. How are y'all doing? Good. Just thought I would come say hey. My name's Alan. What's y'all's names?
Yeah. How's it going?
It's going well. I wish it weren't so. It's been hot today. I've been walking around, so.
Right now we're playing Fuck, Marry,
Oh, okay. Let's hear it.
so that's a fun one.
Who are the? Oh no! I wish I could just fuck them all and marry them all. That's yeah. Honestly, the only. Yeah. No. Just peace. I mean, we're in Austin, guys. Come on. Well, I'm gonna go back to where I came from. But would any of y'all want to hang out sometime?
I don't know. I don't know. Just you're a stranger, so.
I am a stranger, but it doesn't have to be that way. It doesn't have to. But hey, I'm not gonna press it, so I'm just gonna scoot back to where I came from. Yeah, nice chatting with y'all too. The end of the day, it's not that serious. It's not